He reigned from 1972 to 2006. His reign of 34 years has become recognized globally for his visionary introduction of gross national happiness, an alternative to GDP as a measure of well-being of a nation. His reign was also significant for the close friendship between India and Bhutan, with India ever supporting Bhutan in its bid to join the UN in 1971 and helping reinforce Bhutan's identity as an independent and sovereign nation. His Majesty's many achievements include economic progress, particularly in industry such as agriculture and hydro. Besides economic strides, the education sector also improved by leaps and bounds, with many students being the beneficiary of international scholarship funded by the government. The end of his reign was also marked by his voluntary abdication and his decision to commence the Institute of Constitutional Democratic Monarch in Bhutan. His visionary leadership has continued under the reign of His Majesty Jigme Khesar Namgyel Wangchuk. On December 17, 2023, during the 166th National Day Address, His Majesty King Jigme Khesar Namgyel Wangchuk announced, and the legacy of the King, the Gyalpo Mindfulness City projected aims to transform Gyalpo into an economic hub, entering on mindfulness, integrating well-being, substantial development, innovation as key pillars of the country's growth. His Majesty Jigme Khesar Namgyel Wangchuk, who is known as the People's King, has modernized Bhutan while preserving its cultural and developing further ties with India. His leadership during the COVID-19 pandemic was particularly notable. His international presence and initiatives have significantly raised Bhutan's profile globally. His Majesty the Fourth King instituted Bifa in 2004 to nurture friendship with India at the grassroots level by way of people-to-people contact. Considering the importance of Bifa, His Majesty Jigme Khesar Namgyel Wangchuk commanded that Bifa Day be celebrated on 11th November, coinciding with the birth anniversary of the fourth king. India and Bhutan recognizes Bifa as a very important organization for development and making our friendship strong as ever. And His Majesty the King himself taking the position of President of Bifa. His Majesty the King's far-sightedness vision is to build deep and long-lasting friendship India and Bhutan that strives to emerge as the model friendship in the world. It is a scarce responsibility of every Bhutanese Indian citizens to nurture and deepen